What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets Air Canada 777-200LR. Now this is a pretty old model. I believe this is 2021. So it's been out for a minute. But I realized the other day when I was looking at my collection that I didn't have an Air Canada 777-200LR. I have the 300ER, I didn't have the 200LR. So as part of my kind of collecting alongside all the LA models or models needed for LA and some Caribbean models, I like to get as many of the Canadian aircraft as possible as well, because I'm half Canadian, so I like to try and build up I've been trying to build up my Canadian aircraft fleet, between Air Canada, WestJet, the other ones. So finally decided to pull the trigger, and I had to do some real digging around to find this model, but I was able to find it, and here we have it. So the GeminiJets Air Canada 777-200LR, classic GeminiJets box. Here we go. So yeah, 2021. I don't know. Oh, that's pretty cool. The official Air Canada license and everything, trademark. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so it's been a minute, or it's been out for a minute, but this is Charlie Foxtrot November Delta. Had to go do some digging to find it, found one, and was able to pick this up brand new. Really excited to have this. Really excited to have this. It's funny, I was gonna say, I don't know when in 2021 this was released, but it was sometime then. So it's an older model. I bet, I picked this one up now, and then NG will release some Air Canada 777s, their moles at some point. But here we go. Very excited to have this. There's not going to be a whole lot to go over with this, because it's pretty straightforward. Just a good old 200LR. Doesn't look too bad. Nice. GeminiJets have a pretty good mold for this. So we'll take a look here. How about that? Looks pretty good, guys. Looks pretty good. So we'll take a look here. Cockpit windows and everything. The gear look all pretty good. This whole area, you got the Star Alliance logo. I love the raccoon, the sort of the black raccoon eyes that they put on it. It's kind of like an anti-reflectivity thing, I believe. But overall, it looks really good. I think it's pretty cool that they've done that on all their new livery aircraft. But yeah, Star Alliance logo, L1 door, the Air Canada logo, Air Canada title, Wi-Fi dome, antenna, looking really good. All the good details all around this area here. Love to see it. Got the beautiful GE90s, looking fantastic. Don't see any, looks like this one's pointed down a little bit. Yeah, it looks like this one's got a little bit of a droop there. This one looks good, unless that one's just, yeah, so this one's just a little drooped, but overall it looks okay. Good detail on it. The wings, pretty straightforward. No overwing exit markings. Buzz there. But it looks pretty good. The L3 door, Canadian flag, and the registration Charlie-Foxtrot November Delta 777-200LR right there. L4 door. The black tail with the Air Canada, red Air Canada logo, and this says 705 there on the tail. I believe it's like the fleet number. Horizontal stabilizer, APU port, and the tail fin all look really good. No issues there. Then we got this side with just the bulk bin door, and then the cargo door. You got the antennas at the top right there. And then this side, you got the front cargo door right there. We'll take a look at the top-down view of the model. Well, first on the head-on, so that's looking pretty good there. Top-down, very straightforward. But then underneath, you got the Air Canada logo, which looks pretty good. All the gears are actually good. They roll and tilt, so it looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. So overall, a very nice model. Very happy to have this in the collection finally. As I say, I've just been trying to get all the Air Canada models that I can, and this was probably, I think, yeah, this would be the last heavy. Well, I guess if you count the 7.6, I don't actually have the 7.6, which I know that was a previous aircraft, though they're bringing it back this year. I don't actually have the 7.6, so I'm hoping NG models will actually release the 7.6 at some point in the old livery, because that would be sweet. Because I know they are bringing, I think, 2 or 3 of them back this year for the summer season, so that's really exciting, and I would love to get that because that's the last one in the sort of wide body fleet that I don't have. I've got the 787s, the 777s now, the A330s, well, A330 300s, in various liveries, and now the 777-200, the kind of final one here. Alongside then, I just need the 7.6 as a wide body. But overall, this model looks fantastic. Very happy to finally got this added to the collection, and yeah, I mean, this is in the new livery. It would be cool if eventually, let's say, NG released one, maybe in the old livery, that I could get that as well, because that's what I saw all the time growing up when I visit Canada. And obviously, the new livery looks fantastic, but I love that old the old toothpaste livery as well. So it would be awesome to see that or have that in model form. So yeah, anyways guys, that's going to do it for this video. So if you did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.